What's good, YouTube? Today, my catchphrase, dripping flavor like a Himalayan, dripping flavor like a Himalayan gator, has never been truer. If you follow me on Instagram like the good subscriber or constant content watcher that you are, hold on, let me get the music playing, then you would know that I got them new Grant Hills. See that right there? That's turquoise pony hair. Yeah. Like some of these hoes weave, you know. Look inside them guts. These based off the Pistons. Like I said, this turquoise pony hair right here, this real pony hair. Well, now I ain't gonna front the hunt. Fila fucking up the game, cause I wore them, but I ain't like wore them. And then you looking closely, you can see they already cracking up on this bitch. Like they already a little bit cracked up and shit. So I mean, but for $116, it's worth buying. With a gummy bottom five. I hope I see CJ Hook. I don't know if CJ Hook gonna get these. If he do, I hope to see him get them because they rap his alley. I know he ain't probably a Fila fan, but and these. Let me show you the box. The box so fucking flavorful. Got them in the size 12. Now they run bigger than the size, so I could got 11 in these motherfuckers and able to fit. Cause they run big, so I ain't gonna front. See that they just released today as the time of me recording this video, 1/13/18, and these are a collaboration with Grant Hill, Mr. Allan, and Fila. So it's 3 people names on this motherfucker. So, like I said, these pony hair with the patent leather. You probably gonna see them on DJ Small, but I did it first. I'm the Ray J of this shit. So like, comment, subscribe. Peace. I'm out.